When we were visiting the Galapagos, we knew that we were going to see sea lions and giant tortoises and a lot of stuff on land. But once we go into the ocean, we enter into another world. Going into the oceans, we are surrounded with beautiful, colorful fish, sea lions, sharks, turtles. To be into an environment that is not natural to us, it inspires you. It really makes you feel very exciting because you get to see animals you've never seen before, so close to you, behaving, oblivious to your presence. You just never know the adventures that in 30 minutes or an hour will take you to. But once you step out of the water, you wonder about this beautiful realm. When you have these close encounters, and you know this wonderful place needs to be preserved for future generations.